Volvo, every certified pre-owned vehicle passes a rigorous certification process. Each area of your Volvo will be brought up to our exacting specifications. Included with each Volvo certified pre-owned vehicle is a complimentary Carfax history report and Volvo's on-call roadside assistance protection plan.
Feel confident in this high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Find this complimentary Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.